Hi everyone, here we've got Samsung Galaxy M22 and let me share with you how to show emoji suggestions on this device. So first of all, we have to enter the settings, and now let's scroll down to the very bottom and tap on General Management. Now we have to tap on our current keyboard, so I'm using a Samsung keyboard. And as you can see right here in the Smart Typing, we've got the Suggest Emojis section and option. So let's turn it on just by tapping on this switcher. And since now this option is activated, and your device will suggest you some emojis which you can choose. Obviously, you can turn it off the same way. So actually, this is it. This is how to activate the option to suggest emojis in your Samsung Galaxy M22. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.